thought I'd provide a few brief observations on the technology industry and COVID-19. Let's remind ourselves that the technology sector is a diverse group of business models, so any impact in uncertain times is not necessarily uniform. B2C companies are negatively impacted due to consumers prioritizing vital household goods and groceries over purchase of consumer technologies. However, within the B2C segment, activities such as streaming, messaging, contactless payments, and video conferencing are all experiencing significant demand. That demand is able to be supplied because of the distribution ease of the internet and the use of scalable cloud-based infrastructure. B2B companies, for the most part, are seeing demand for their products as technology fuels our work-from-home environment in addition to staying in touch. Ultimately, the B2B companies with significant business in verticals such as travel, entertainment, hospitality, and energy, as well as the SMB market, will see the most prolonged downturn. As I look at specific technologies, obviously video conferencing is experiencing a boom, but newer technologies such as robotics, artificial intelligence, and virtual reality are accelerating as important use cases and solutions arise during the pandemic. At KPMG, we have also benefited from virtual reality, which allows us to observe in places we would typically visit. Lastly, I've written a fair amount about upcoming innovation hubs around the world and what it takes to be one of those centers. I just released a blog on my LinkedIn page describing how innovation continues to thrive in locations such as New York City. I've observed examples of extensive use of location identification, high-performance compute, remote technologies, and artificial intelligence developed and deployed to fight and manage the situation we find ourselves in. Technologies and technology companies are really stepping up in this time of crisis. I fully believe the industry will not only be a visible force for good during these difficult times, but will grow even stronger and more relevant going forward. Thanks for joining me, and stay safe, everyone.